Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Maito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Have you ever wondered which Maserati cars stand out as the most reliable over the years? From luxury sedans to powerful sports cars, Maserati has a rich history of crafting vehicles that blend Italian craftsmanship with performance. Today, we delve into the top 10 most reliable Maserati cars that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Maserati Quattroporte. Kicking off our list is the Maserati Quattroporte, a symbol of Italian luxury and power. Since its inception in 1963, this sedan has epitomized elegance with its sleek design and potent performance. The latest iteration, introduced in 2013, boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a staggering 410 horsepower. Its opulent interior and advanced technology redefine the driving experience, making the Quattroporte a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. Number 2. Maserati Gran Turismo. Next up is the Gran Turismo, a two-door coupe that exudes both sophistication and adrenaline. Launched in 2007, this masterpiece houses a 4.7-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 454 horsepower. Its seamless blend of luxury and performance ensures a thrilling ride every time, reaffirming Maserati's commitment to excellence. Number 3. Maserati Levante. Introducing the Levante, Maserati's venture into the realm of luxury SUVs. Since its debut in 2016, the Levante has captivated enthusiasts with its 3.0-liter V6 engine, generating 345 horsepower. With its Italian flair and formidable power, this SUV redefines versatility, offering a harmonious balance of performance and comfort for the modern adventurer. Number 4. Maserati Ghibli. Enter the Ghibli, a name synonymous with passion and performance. Born in 2013, this luxury sedan boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, packing a punch with 345 horsepower. Its striking design and exhilarating acceleration, from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.7 seconds, make it a force to be reckoned with on the road. Number 5. Maserati MC12. Prepare to be mesmerized by the MC12, a limited edition marvel that pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering. Crafted between 2004 and 2005, only 50 lucky individuals had the privilege of owning this masterpiece. Powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine, churning out 620 horsepower, the MC12 embodies the essence of exclusivity and performance, cementing its status as a true collector's gem. Number 6. Maserati 3200 GT. Journey back to the late 90s with the 3200 GT, a timeless grand tourer that continues to captivate enthusiasts. Produced from 1998 to 2002, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 370 horsepower. Its elegant design and formidable performance ensure an unforgettable driving experience, making it a cherished icon in Maserati's illustrious history. Number 7. Maserati Spider. Unleash your senses with the Spider, a convertible masterpiece that epitomizes open-air exhilaration. Produced from 2001 to 2007, this two-seater sports car houses a 4.2-liter V8 engine, producing 390 horsepower. With its breathtaking acceleration and luxurious interior, the Spider offers a symphony of performance and style that is bound to leave a lasting impression. Number 8. Maserati Shamal. Dive into the past with the Shamal, a 90s icon that continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Produced from 1990 to 1996, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 326 horsepower. Its timeless design and exhilarating performance make it a rare gem in Maserati's rich heritage, embodying the essence of Italian craftsmanship and passion. Number 9. Maserati Biturbo. Revive the spirit of the 80s with the Biturbo, a legendary sports car that continues to evoke nostalgia among aficionados. Produced from 1981 to 1994, this coupe offers a range of engines, including a potent 3.2-liter V6. Despite mixed reviews on reliability, the Biturbo's undeniable charm and performance ensure its place in Maserati's Hall of Fame. Number 10. Maserati 3500 GT. Last, but certainly not least, we have the 3500 GT, a classic masterpiece that embodies the essence of Maserati's golden era. Produced from 1957 to 1964, this coupe features a 3.5-liter inline-six engine delivering 220 horsepower. Renowned for its reliability and timeless design, the 3500 GT remains a symbol of Maserati's enduring legacy and commitment to excellence. These top 10 Maserati cars not only represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering, but also serve as a testament to the brand's unwavering dedication to performance, luxury, and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.